Welcome to our channel. Managing notification banners on Wells Fargo Mobile helps you stay informed about account activity while controlling how alerts appear on your device. Follow these steps to configure your notification preferences. Step 1. Open the Wells Fargo mobile app on your smartphone. Step 2. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner to access the main navigation. Step 3. Select Profile and Settings or Settings from the menu options. Step 4. Navigate to Notifications or Alerts to view your current notification settings. Step 5. Review the different types of notifications available, such as transaction alerts, security alerts, and promotional messages. Step 6. Toggle on or off the notification types you want to receive as banners on your device. Step 7. Configure how notifications appear by adjusting your device's system settings for the Wells Fargo app. Step 8. For iOS, go to Settings Notifications, Wells Fargo, or for Android, go to Settings Apps, Wells Fargo Notifications to customize banner style. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.